Hey folks, welcome to an advanced Aitum tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to go over the method in which using a rule check can trigger an action depending on if the user is a VIP or not. We'll take an example of a user redeeming a channel point redemption and only allowing it if they are a VIP to the channel. So first of all, we're going to create the trigger of a Twitch device and then a channel point redemption trigger type. Next, inside check, we want to add in a data check. Inside this, we will then select Twitch get user info. Next, under username, select the variable option and then in the dropdown, click on Twitch username. After this, we will then add in a rule check. Inside the variable, select is VIP. Then under comparison, select equal to. And finally, mark this as true. The final part of the rule is setting up an action. Now in this example, I'm just going to get Aitum to play an audio sound. However, this could be anything from enabling or disabling a source or filter. Now you can easily target more specific viewers and allowing them to have some better perks than others for supporting your stream in a special way. Now also alongside this type of data check, you can also check variables. Say if you have an increased whole number through channel points, and then want to trigger an action once it reaches a certain number. This is completely doable. And that's all there is to it in today's video. If you have any issues or want to show us something pretty cool that you've made with Aitum, please do so by joining the Discord or following us over on Twitter. Links to both will be in the description down below.